In this lesson for my free iPad brush lettering course, if you've missed any of the other lessons, go back and look at those. There are several other ones as far as like understanding Procreate, the supplies we're using in this course. There's a lot of helpful information in those, so you might want to go back and check those out. But in this particular lesson, I'm going to show you how to install the Durango brush that we're going to be using in this course. And yeah, just keep on watching. Okay, so I've got several videos on my channel that I'll link below on how to install multiple brushes, different ways you can install brushes. There's a lot of videos out there, and it changed a little bit with the newer version of the iOS operating system for iPad Pro and with Procreate. So this is just going to show you how to install the one brush. If you're interested in the other ways, certainly check that out. All right, so in Procreate, I'm just going to create a new document, which I've already got here. So what I need to do is install the brush in Procreate, and there's a few ways you can do it. What I like to do is come in and I like to create a set for my brushes so that I know, like say if I purchased a set of brushes from me, I can name it and put them inside there. So let's say I'm doing that. I'm going to click New Set, and then I'm going to name it. I'm just going to delete that, and I'm going to name it Durango. And I know that I want to install my brush there. So what I prefer doing is downloading my brushes on my computer, and this is how I'm going to show you how to do it. You can do it other ways, check out other videos, whatever you like. I download them and I keep them in Dropbox. Now I have the Dropbox app on my iPad as well, but I keep them on my computer because what I like to do is create folders and files to keep everything nice and organized. So all the brushes that I've purchased over time, I created a folder called Procreate Brushes Purchased, and then I create a folder for that set of brushes, and it makes life so much easier. So let's go ahead and locate the Durango brush, and I'll show you how to install it. All right, so if you have gone to my website and you've downloaded the Durango brush and the practice JPEG files that are in there, you can grab them from there. So I've located them in here. All I'm going to do is click on the Durango brush, and I can see that I can't preview it in here because you can't preview Procreate files in Dropbox. It's not native, you cannot do it. So there's one way you can do it is click on the three arrows and export it and open it in there. Or we can simply come into Procreate with that new set here. I can click on the plus and I can click on import up here. And what import's going to do is allow me to locate that file again. So I'm just going to click on Dropbox where I have it. I'm going to locate where it is on my Dropbox because my Dropbox is keeping all of my files safe from everything. And I'm going to click on, sorry, mine might look a little different from yours because I have a bunch of different things going on in mine. I'm going to click on that Durango brush now, and what it's going to do is open it in Procreate so it is there, and now if I were to click back over, and that set is the Durango brush. Super easy. I recommend learning how to install multiple brushes. Now I've had some people tell me they've had some problems following my directions on multiple brushes. I feel like if you're in Dropbox, you're not gonna have a problem, but if you're in iCloud, you may have to switch to Dropbox. If you're not using, if Dropbox is giving you a problem, maybe try iCloud. I really can't figure out why some people are able to do it and some aren't, but to install single brushes, that's all you do. It's really simple. They've made it so much easier, and now you have like a backup copy on your cloud file system, and everything's organized and neat, and you know where to find them. All right, so that's it. That video is it was pretty quick. Like I said, I have several install brush videos that I'll link below, but you want to go ahead and make sure you've gone in and got the brush from me so that you can install it and use it in the course as we're going to keep going. All right, I'm going to see you guys in the next video.